we are going to be at room 106. Oh, okay, they're not very far. Okay, here we go. The floors are clean, they're wood, and then but the lighting is not. Okay, can you hold it? So, okay. Oh wow, the room is small. So when you go in, the left side of it is a sink where you can see the toiletries complimentary of the hotel, and then some lighting over there, and there's a small coffee maker on that side, and then that's that one. To the right of it is a hanger, ironing board, and then over here is their bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is clean. Toilet is clean. Wall paint is yellow, and then towels looks fresh. Standard, pretty standard, nothing really like fancy. And then they have complimentary soap over there. Let's see, check the water pressure. Water pressure seems okay. It's not very good. I don't really think that that's the best pressure. And then when you look at this side of the room, where's the lighting on here? There's a small chair over here to the left, and hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. There's a small mirror, and then a TV.
I don't think there's that.
Maybe we turn on the night lamp here to give us some lighting, but it's a little all right, here we go. I'm gonna go back up a little bit. Okay, to the left is a chair, and then a mirror, TV. They have a microwave, so if you want to eat mac and cheese or noodles, some drawers, and then we have a small refrigerator. Okay, to put your stuff, and then an ice container, and then a desk over here, chair, and then to the right side we got the 2 queen beds. Right there. Let's see, beds are clean. 4 pillows on each bed. All right, and then a night lamp in the middle. Okay, pretty standard at this room, but it's small, but it's not tight. And then the view from our room is the parking lot. We are on the ground floor, so the lobby. Okay, so let's start here. So when you come inside the hotel, over here like that, it says welcome River City Volleyball. There's some chairs there. It's a lobby, and then more chairs, and then they have an ATM machine on that side, and then the front desk reception where you can check in, and then more chairs on this side. All right, to the left is a vending machine. They have the basics like water, soft drinks, but it is press selection for price. Okay, let's do 30 for water. Here, 38 for Coke, 175. 30 water is $1.50. That's not too bad. And then they have some chips over here, chocolates, and some light snacks, and then over here is an ice dispenser. And then over here is more seating. on the left, and this is where they provide the breakfast in the morning. They said 6:30 to 9:30 is their breakfast time, so I'll show you the video of the breakfast menu and what they serve. We're staying in the first floor, so we don't have to go upstairs, but over here they have meeting rooms, fitness center, indoor pool, and this laundry. Okay, we're gonna check out their pool. The lighting, the hotel, it's a little outdated, and the lighting doesn't help because it feels dingy, but that's just me because I'm so used to like seeing hotels that are newer and recently renovated. So they have the fitness room over here on this side. Okay, let's check it out. So when you go in, they have the treadmill. That's the basic. That's all you need. And then some elliptical and bicycle, and then some pull-ups. I think there's a pull-up bar over here that side, and then another treadmill over here. It's just the basic. You don't need a whole lot anyway when you're trying to exercise. And then they have we need our water container so we can just refill our water. So if you buy water in the vending machine, it's $1.50, but you can bring your water bottle and fill up your water over here. All right, and then they have some right now. I don't know, maybe a lot of people already work out for the day, but the time check is 7:15 at night, and they only have one towel left. They have hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes, and that's it. Sit next to the pool. They have some type of like sitting area where you can just lounge and rest, maybe read a book or whatever, but it's right next to the parking lot, so I wouldn't recommend taking your children with you if you're gonna be lounging or sitting over here. But that's the exterior patio. They have a coffee bar. Let's see if they actually have coffee. It's 7:30 in the evening. They do. So they have, if you have the urge to drink coffee in the middle of the day, and you don't have any issue of sleeping even if you drink coffee, so they have some. And here in this, it's in the ground floor right next to the breakfast bar or breakfast area.